Welcome to Section 3, Build PowerShell-based Azure Function. In this video, we'll go through the design options, basically what we need to do to get it working. We're going to have a look at a quick overview of Azure Functions, what they are, what they do, what they're used for, and we're going to go ahead and create a brand new function. So what is an Azure Function? So this is a quote from Microsoft blog. It says, Azure Functions is an event-driven, compute-on-demand experience that extends the existing Azure application platform with capabilities to implement code triggered by events occurring in Azure or third-party service as well as on-premises systems. So what does that mean? Basically, it's a serverless type of computing where you write your code in various scripting and programming languages, PowerShell being one of them. And that code responds to certain events happening on Azure and executes the actions that you created for it, okay? Essentially, it's a very powerful tool because you don't need to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure, the servers, the PowerShell modules, nothing like that. It's all taken care of by Microsoft and by the Microsoft Azure team. If you'd like to know a bit more about them, just Google Azure Functions. We're just going to go ahead and we will create one here for you. So just do create resource and type function and choose a function app. Let's do create. Let's give it a name. I will call it PowerShell course. I'm going to use the existing group, which is the PowerShell course. I'm going to keep it running on Windows. Consumption plan is the hosting plan of choice, mainly because it's the cheapest option. It charges you per execution, which is incredibly cheap. You can look it up. Basically, something like 0.0001 US dollar cent per execution. And I'm going to host it in West Europe. And let's just create a new storage account. Doesn't matter. We're not going to use application insights. The main purpose of this section is to show you how you can use PowerShell code to manage Azure applications and Azure virtual machines, not to actually overview the actual Azure app in depth. Let's click on create and give it a few minutes. Here we go, deployment succeeded. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. We created the function app. In future videos, we can have a look at creating the actual functions and things that we need to do to create the actual process that we want to create. Let's recap what we covered. We looked at an overview of Azure Functions and we created a brand new function app.